Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be sharing with you one of my favorite chicken recipes, and that is chicken fritters. So let's go and see how to make chicken fritters. Here I have taken around 1.5 portion of chicken breast. Cut it in the same way as I am showing here. We need to make very small pieces of this chicken. Cut all big pieces of chicken into small pieces, just like small chicken cubes. Let's put chopped chicken into the big bowl. Add 2 finely chopped spring onion in it, 1 chopped green chili, then finely chopped fresh coriander, one teaspoon ginger garlic paste, crack 1 egg in it, 2 tablespoon mayonnaise. For homemade mayonnaise recipe, click on the I button on top. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, salt to taste, around 2 tablespoons plain flour, and then mix it all together. Then add 2 tablespoons cheese in it. Stir it until it is nice combined. You can make it instant or keep it in the fridge overnight and make it on the next day. Once you are ready to cook the fritters, heat up the pan and add enough oil in it. When oil is hot, put spoonful of chicken mixture in it. Pat down the fritters with the back of the spoon if needed. We need to fry these fritters at least for 4 to 5 minutes from each side, so they will be evenly cooked from both the sides. Maintain the heating between medium to high. Keep on adjusting the heating so fritters will not get burned. Keep on moving in between so it will be cooked from all the sides. Our chicken fritters are almost ready. They are ready to come out from the pan. You can see nice golden color on it. So let's take it out. It looks really great. So let's take it out on the paper towel so all the excess oil will be soaked.
Guys, if you like this recipe, give a big thumbs up. Please share it on Facebook and your Insta stories or on your WhatsApp status so more people will be connected with us. And if you didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.